Hey y'all, it's your girl Jewel. I'm back with another video. So I did this hand off camera. I tried to record the video like 2 or 3 other times and it just did not work. Excuse me, I'm a little under the weather and I'm sick. So I am going to be using a voice changer on this video. As you guys can see, I'm going to be taking my top coat. I'm going over my hand now. This is a mood gel polish that I was using with the MODELONES gel polish kit that I bought from Amazon. The color that I'm going to be using is called Blooming, and it's like this really pretty pink shimmery color, but of course, you know, it changes to mood. Right now, I'm cleaning up the sides of the nails, just making sure that nothing is oozing out of the sides. You know, these are my own personal Pressons and popping them on for good luck. Like I stated, I will be doing more videos with gel polish. I don't like using acrylic and with poly gel, but right now this is just going to be a cute DIY do-it-yourself nail tutorial. As you can see, I applied that top coat. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my Sun UV gel lamp. After letting it cure, it came out. Look at that. It's like a pretty soft pink. It looks so gorgeous, and it's even prettier in person. I was trying to get the lighting right. It was just... I went through a lot recording this video, but the polish itself was really gorgeous. Not too cakey, not too chunky. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and get my full cover tips to put on. I'm putting the nails on. I already sized them up. Now, I'm just going to be putting in my glue. I'm sorry, y'all. I told you I'm under the weather, but I knew I had to get these videos out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. But just keep looking and you will see how I achieved my gorgeous look. I'm going to go ahead and pressing on that nail, making sure everything looks nice and flat. Checking to make sure there's no glue around the sides. You want to give it a hard press for about a good 30 seconds to a minute. Sometimes for extra protection, I will put it in the cooker, but I was rushing because I am working on my non-dominant hand in this video. The hand that I had completed already was my dominant hand, so I was definitely using a lot of work with this hand. I had to make sure that I went over it with my filer. Make sure I went over it with my buffer, making sure that everything was nice and gorgeous and neat. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing now. I did want to follow the edge of the tip. I didn't want it to look too store-bought. And I'm going now, buffing it real nice and smooth so that it doesn't look humped up. Because sometimes when you buy press-ons, they will give off that humpy and cakey look around the sides. So in order to avoid people asking you, are you wearing press-ons, it's always good to flatten it down. Now I'm going to go over it with my base coat. As you guys can see, this looks gorgeous. And now that I went over it with my base coat, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the cooker. After I do that, I just wanted to show you guys my nails because they came out so cute. That's the MODELONES gel polish, which is called Blooming. And yes, you just see me playing around with my hands. Super happy. I was super impressed the way how this polish actually came out. And if you look at the polish, you can see it's almost like a pretty cherry plum color almost. I hope that I'm giving you guys like almost like a cherry plum mixed with fuchsia. It's a really cute. I just was like, oh my goodness. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to apply 2 layers of the actual color. Look at that. Guys, you guys are not ready for it. That color, yes, that's what it looks like when it first goes on. As it heats up, this is what it came out looking like. Clear. Just pure, soft pink. That's what it looks like, soft pink. And I'm going over it again with another layer, another coat. Now that I have the other coat being applied on, I'm going to pop it in the cooker. And then from the cooker, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. All I did was pop on some rhinestones. I used some Gorilla Glue and just got some little cute stones out of my case. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for bearing with me. Enjoy the rest of this video. I'm sorry guys, I really can't talk too much tonight. I'm so under the weather. But who cares? Because my nails is cute. Yes, yes they are. They really are. Enjoy the rest of this video. Keep watching, and at the end of the video, it's going to be pictures of how both hands came out. And I must say, they came out gorgeous. Please note, due to me being under the weather, the second video that I promised you guys will not be up today, but it will be up tomorrow. So, yes, please make sure that you continue to watch, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Oh, and another thing, shout out to all of my gems. Yes, yes, honey, I see you guys. I see you all. I have 45 subscribers last time I checked. Please let me know if the numbers have went up any more since then. And, oh yeah, on this part, I'm applying my stones. So keep watching, guys. I'm so sorry. Have a happy holidays, and I hope you like the new intro.